Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with day 11. Yes, day 11 of 31 days of beauty. And today I am bringing a very exciting palette back. Yes. Well, y'all see me using this palette quite often for this year because she was definitely introduced to me. I want to say this year. I don't know why I'm having a brain fart. I can't remember when exactly I got this palette. Was it this year or last year? I don't remember. I honestly think I got this palette last year, but I didn't start playing with her until this year. So anywho, it's a new palette to me still because she's still not even a year old. And this is the Blend Bunny palette. This is actually my favorite palette by Blend Bunny. And it's funny for me to say that because it's the only palette I own by them. But going off of the releases that they have available for palette selection, this is my favorite one so far. Yes. Today I'm going to be doing a look inspired by my shirt. I don't think you guys can see my shirt, but I have on a Ninja Turtle shirt, and it has a little bit of purple and green and then yellow and then orange, you know, Ninja Turtle colors, you know. So I definitely want to play off of that and do a look. And yes, my face is kind of sort of pre-on. I went somewhere earlier today and I had to look a little bit presentable, so I did put on some foundation and that was it, and of course my eyebrows. But as I got back home, I was like, okay, let me just wash this off. And I was like, wait, why? You're gonna wash it off right after you do the tutorial. So let's save the products. So if it looks a little dewy and all that, I'm gonna refix it up, so don't worry. But I just had to tell you that because you guys probably won't see full face routine, but I will let you guys know still what I used on my face. Let's zoom in, boo, and get into this look. All right, so I want to do like a ombre kind of sort of like cut crease. I'm gonna be going in with like 2 different colors and stuff like that. So I don't think I explained that right, but y'all gonna get what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start off with this really dark deep purple shade right here, and I'm gonna start off with her being in my crease. And I'm not gonna go all the way across with this. I'm gonna go halfway across in my crease with this color. Alright, so I'm going to do this look a little bit different. Usually I'll go all the way across with the next shade, but I want to blend this out first to see if I'm going to like what I'm about to do. So I'm going to take this shade right here. So of course it's a lighter purple, and I'm just going to try my best to buff this out. Alright, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to go in now with this. Let's go for this deep burgundy shade. And I'm just going to put her in the remaining part of my crease area. Alright, and now I'm going to buff out this burgundy brown shade. And I'm going to go in with this orange. Alright, so I'm going to continue blending these 2 shades, or 4 shades together. And then I'm going to cut my crease off camera. I kind of wishing that this orange was a little bit more noticeable, but I guess it's decent, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to continue to do blending, but I wanted to get this part out the way. The shade I want to mess around with is this beautiful neon green. Yeah, so I got to bring out the turtles in my shirt, so let's do it. I'm going to take a little bit of that dark purple, just kind of brush it in the outer part. Then I'm going to take that lighter shade of purple. I'm going to show you in a minute. this looks really, really good. So let me do a quick wing. So like I said, I was gonna mention what I have on my face already. I'm gonna touch it up just a little bit, but I have on this beautiful formulated hydrating primer all over my face. And then after that, I went in with my very overly squeezed NYX Can't Stop primer. And I'm still questioning on why NYX discontinued this. Like, why? This is a really, really, really good primer. And then foundation, I have on my Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. So I'm going to add a little bit more patches on my face just to touch it, because I had some falling out and all this other jabs. So just going to touch it because I see a little bit of like patches on my face. Because I put like a very thin coating on my face when I went out today. So just going to reapply just a tap it. Alright, so I'm going to go in with Miss Kaja for my concealer. Going to contour with Fenty. Alright, and then for my powder today, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Alright, and then for my face, with Black Radiance for all over my face. I'm going to contour with Miss L'Oreal for all over the face. And then for my cheeks, I think I'm going to go in with Papa. I love this blush. Alright, we're going to go back into the eyes. I'm going to zoom back in. And I'm going to go in with my NYX pencil. This is in black. And I'm going to put this in my waterline. Then under my eyes, I'm going to go in with Flight Purple. It's going to be too predictable. So I'm going to go in with this orangey. I'm taking that same burgundy that I went in with, and I'm going to buff it out with that orange eyeshadow. Alright, and then for my inner, let's go ahead and pop this metallic green shade. Oh, I look very Halloween themed when it comes to the eyes, so I'm here for it. So we're gonna move on to the lips. We're not doing a, well, kind of am doing a neutral lip, but it's gonna be a new pink because I feel like it's gonna just, in my head it's gonna go. So I'm gonna go for burgundy lip liner. This is Scorpio by Juvia. Alright, and then for my lips, I'm going to go in with this Juvia lipstick called 2020. And then I'm going to blend this out really quick. Alright, and then we're going to go in with some gloss from Hank and Henry called Your Mom. Alright, so here is the final look, honey, with the lashes popped on. Yes, boo. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see my shirt. Hold on, let me see your. Okay, y'all can see the little. Y'all see why I got inspired? Okay, okay. Y'all see it? Y'all see the inspiration, honey? This green is a neon, like not neon, like neon. Like the lighting ain't doing what it's supposed to do, but in person, this is bright. Shine bright like a diamond. Yes. Like a diamond. But yes, I really do like how this look came out. I hope you guys like it as well. Really soft on the cheeks, and this lip combo, boo. Tell me y'all here for this lip combo, okay? Oh, speaking of lip combo. So everything on my desk. So on my lips, I just popped in this new lip gloss right in the center. I didn't show you guys that part because my camera was dead, and I didn't feel like taking this off the tripod to put a new battery on. I just wanted to get finished with this look, so I just popped her on right in the center. And then for my lashes today, oh, I really like these lashes. They really pizzazz like any look, especially if the look is already looking good. It just add an extra topper to it. So the lashes I have on is called Always Flexin' by Beauty Creation. And then of course this illuminating glow that I got going on. I do have on the Cover Fix setting spray, but I also put on the Morphe Extra Highlighter. Yeah, I was just doing a lot of stuff off camera, my bad. I just was being lazy. I didn't feel like changing up the battery, but this is the look. I like her, she's cute. Okay, yeah, okay, look at that little pop. But yeah, she is giving me definitely like Halloween vibes. Like, it's not spooky scary, but y'all know Halloween colors are like the green, the purple, the oranges, a little bit of black. And I feel like I'm giving you that in a cute way. But anywho, you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'm gonna catch you guys back tomorrow with another look. Hey.